Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Technical TV. As we know, yesterday was a Apple event on its website apple.com, and it was also streaming on YouTube also at 10:30 p.m. according to International Standard Time. So the question is now, where is the iPad 9 generation? As yesterday in yesterday event, the Apple event update, there was a new iPad Pro, Apple TV, and iMac was also launched. There was AirTags and podcast subscription, and one more unique thing was which was there, that is a new iPhone 12 color. So the question is here is, where is iPad 9 generation? Because there were so many of rumors, so many of leaks according to the Macworld Tom's guide, but still the iPad 9 generation, which was most awaited iPad of all the time, it was still not there. So we will try to figure out why Apple didn't launch the iPad generation in this video. So let's get started. So with the some reason, there are, I will give you to the two reasons why Apple didn't launched this iPad 8 generation. The first one we go with the recent launch of iPad 8 generation. As we know, iPad 7 generation was released on September 25, 2019, and iPad 8 generation model was released on September 18, 2020. So can you see the gap year between these two launches, as there is only 1 year gap between them. So this might be the possible reason, as the iPad 9's 8 generation was released on September 18, 2020. So it's not been a year to that it has been recently launched by the Apple. So I don't think that this was the reason by which the Apple didn't launch this 9th generation. And one more thing which I want to show you, look at this, the slide here. I have added this Apple iPad 8 generation is not sold at large quantity. As you can see here, the ratings of Apple iPad 7 generation on Flipkart is 12k, means 12k units have been sold and they reviewed by the customer as well. So why am I showing to you this, that 12k units had already been sold. Now if I take you to the next slide, that is Apple iPad 8 generation with 32GB. We are taking just an example. So you can see here the rating is still 1944 ratings. That means 1900 units have been sold. So this is a quite a less quantity. As we compared it with the iPad 7 generation, the 12k units have been sold, and the iPad 8 generation only around 200 units have been sold. So this is quite a disappointed for every company that we have launched this product, and yet the unit which should be sold at higher quantity is still not sold. So this might be the reason that why iPad 9 generation was not launched by the Apple. So my opinion will be that any of the company, like it is Apple or any laptop company or any mobile company, they do not want to go into loss. Means they have to spend their money on the R&D as well. They come with the latest processor, they come with the new M1 chip, they came with the AirTags as well. So there are kind of it all depends on the R&D. So my opinion is that Apple do not want to go into loss, and no company want to go into loss until it doesn't make profit. So I think, according to me, Apple will wait till September 2021 to launch iPad 9 generation. This is because in September 2021 iPad 8 generation, in September 2020 in September 2020 Apple iPad 8 generation was launched. So this might be the guaranteed date by me. So guaranteed date on, I should say the month, that in second half of the September 2021 Apple will definitely launch iPad 9 generation, because it's been on a high demand. As we can compare it with the iPad Pro or iPad Air or iPad Mini. So iPad 9th generation is the greatest choice by the people, means for students, for work from home series. for students as classes are going online, so it is useful for them too. So according to me, the Apple will definitely launch iPad 8th generation in September 2021. So this was about all the updates why according to me why Apple iPad 9th generation was not launched yesterday, as it was quite disappointed for some people because they were waiting for a long time. So I want you to share your opinion in the comment box below if you have any doubts or confusion about the iPad 9th generation, and I will answer each and every one of them. And my next video will be about what will be the specification of iPad 9th generation, as from processor to screen size to any new feature added to it. So I will cover in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon too, so that you will never miss any update from my side. Till that, stay safe, have a nice time.